Hey everybody, my name is Mario Cruz. I'm the Ultratech training guy, and today I'll be unboxing the Ultra Drain Plug. The Ultra Drain Plug is a spill response product that's used to plug drains. They come in different sizes, anywhere from a 2-inch all the way up to a 12-inch. So just depending on the size of the drain that you're going to need to protect will determine what size that you need. Now, one thing to consider is that the size that we use is actually the size of the drain that you're going to be protecting. I know that sounds kind of obvious, but so with a 2-inch plug, that 2-inch diameter is going to be somewhere around the center of the plug. The top is going to be at 2.5 inches. The bottom is going to be a little bit smaller. So just keep that in mind when you're helping your customer determine which size that you need to use. So I'll start with the 2-inch size. This is the smallest one. And one thing I didn't want to do ahead of time is it ships inside of this plastic bag, and that's significant because you don't want this soft urethane material that the plug is made out of. You don't want that to touch the inside of the box or the instructions that are in there. Otherwise, it'll potentially mess up that material. So as you can see, it's as I mentioned, a soft, pliable urethane material. There's a hard core inside of it, but all around that is the urethane material. And that's how you get that nice seal to prevent any of your spilled liquids from getting down into that drain. You can see that there's some hardware at the top of it, and there is an included eye bolt that comes with it. So you would use this, screw the two pieces together, and then this will help you to insert it inside of the drain. Once you've got that in there, you've got a nice seal. If you want to or you need to, you can then unscrew this, and then you can put the grate back on top of the drain, assuming that there is a grate or some kind of cover that the eye bolt wouldn't clear normally. And then you're done. You're good to go, and your drain is protected. So I'm not going to go through the unboxing of the 4-inch because it's essentially the same, just on a larger scale, but I did want to show you in comparison the two plugs next to each other. As I mentioned, this is the 4-inch size. This is the 2-inch size. So as you can imagine, the 12-inch, the largest plug that we have, the 12-inch, is going to be very large. Once we get up to the larger sizes, it's going to have two areas where the eye bolts will go into. So it comes with 2 eye bolts. Just to they get fairly heavy. It's helpful to have those to have 2 handles on it, 2 eye bolts to hold on to when you're installing it rather than just the single. Well, there you have it. That's the Ultra Drain Plug unboxing. Pretty straightforward product. Be on the lookout for more unboxing videos coming soon. Hey everybody, my name is Ultratech. And today I'll be unboxing the Ultra Drain Plug. And today I'll be unboxing the Ultra Drain Plug. Oh! Today I'll be unboxing the Ultra Drain Plug.